So the way that I decided to display this tissue holder, other than using tissue to place in it, I decided to place flowers in it, and I had put it on the back of my toilet in my bathroom, and I did a video showing y'all how it decorated, but now I'm adding some new flowers to it that I got at Dollar General. Went out of business, should I say, and I was able to pick up me some flowers. Well, this little cute little flowers for 10 cents, y'all. Yeah, I went on the day, everything was 10 cents, and they literally had nothing. But I got these flowers, looked up on that, and they like a coral color. I don't know if it's showing off pink, but yeah, it's like a coral color, and kind of matches some of my colors in my bathroom. So I got those, and I've been having these from Walmart. I forgot how much these were, but I had got these at Walmart a while back, and this was the first ones I placed in here. So I don't own a wire cutter, right? They got them at Dollar Tree, I know, but instead I refuse to get one, but I will one day. But so instead I just fold the flowers up like so, and I kind of just place them into here like so. Now that's what it, well, of course it was styled better than this, but this is kind of what it was looking like. Now I have some new flowers, and I'm gonna place those in there as well. Oops, hold on. And I haven't cut these, and I need to get one of those things I can just stick them in there, foam things, but I don't have one of those either. So I'll just play around with it until you figure out how you're gonna do it, and see how all this needs to get cut off. So when I place it onto my toilet, you don't see none of this, but yeah, and it's just like so. I use it as a tissue, as a flower bouquet holder, and I'll show y'all how it looks in my bathroom.